So the program I chose to research was the UC Davis in California, the PhD program for integrative genetics and genomics. So requirements to meet before applying would be having a 3.0 GPA, a bachelor's degree, and proven proficiency in the sciences. No specific courses required, but a background or undergraduate degree in science makes a stronger candidate. Something like biology, chemistry, biochemistry, genetics, neuroscience. So the length and modality of the program, it's a PhD program, and essentially usually 4 to 6 years. It can vary, or until you get the PhD. This is also a master's terminal. There's also that option, which means that you could essentially leave with a master's degree if you aren't able to complete the program, as long as you meet the requirements for a master's degree. The program is covered for 5 years, and students are given a stipend to live on. Tuition is around $13,000 for California residents, and you can do work study and other things to make more money. So in order to get a PhD in this program, and I think any program, you begin with pre-candidacy, and then you take a qualifying exam, and then you are in candidacy, and then you work towards a dissertation. So after getting accepted into the PhD program, after you're pre-candidate, you take your doctoral qualifying exam, and then you are a candidate. When you're a PhD candidate, that means you've also secured dissertation committee members who will mentor you and evaluate the dissertation, earned and maintained your B average or 3.0 GPA, and completed all the coursework aside from the dissertation. The courses that you may take would be like advanced genetic analysis, genomics, quantitative and population genetics, history of genetics, scientific professionalism and integrity, which is very important and probably required in many, if not most, doctoral degrees, evolutionary, developmental, and population genetics, genomics and epigenetics, animal genetics, molecular genetics, human genetics, so on. And as far as emphasis of the program, it is genetics, but it is integrative. So there are different groups that you can choose to work with. And they tackle different research topics. I'm interested in behavioral genetics, particularly like the genetic components that underlie developmental disorders, schizophrenia, autism, things like that. I didn't have a least favorite thing, really. I think it's a great program if that is what you want to dedicate your life to. And I love that there's a master's terminal track. That's really nice for someone that thinks they want a PhD, but something may come up in life and they have to quit the program. They could still leave with something. And have a great term, everyone.